Hello, this is Chadwick with video log 10/3/2018 at 6:31 p.m. CST. Pretty cool, huh? Kind of like Star Trek video database. This is screen recorder. This is what I use to record my videos. It works real well. I'm using the basic version, so it's limited to 15 minutes. That's all. So, download it for YouTube videos. I want to show you some music. I listen to sometimes. And it's kind of crossed generational. There's lots of mixing and melding of older and new music, like Bruce Springsteen in the Streets of Philadelphia, which is a pretty freaking cool video. It's an older one. Taylor Swift, she's pretty cool. She's a big time star. Talked about her last time. This one is Pentatonix, since it's called Mary Did You Know? And Pentatonix, this is Christmas to me. Pentatonix is like pretty cool a cappella band, so be sure and dig that and stuff. Taylor Swift again. Ditto is a good one. You probably heard her songs on the radio, but you may not know who she is. I listen to some Tool. I like Tool. It's pretty cool. It's all the videos of clay animation. They're really dark stuff. They were clean guitar though. Diane Wood, she's like a newcomer on the scene, but she's successful. Her and her man. I know they have a few good videos out, like I'm a Rich Bitch and Dirty Boys or Ugly Boys, something like that. Lindsay Lohan, she's pretty cool. She's been in the news the last 3 or 4 days, which I guess hopefully is good publicity. She's got a lot of good things, like The Princess Diaries and Mean Girls, and I kind of like that movie type stuff. So Mariah Carey, she's a solid winner and one of the best singers in the country. Rob Zombie. This one I can understand. I've been there many times and never ever said the right thing. I think I'm in the top 5% minority in the world of how many times I've been to jail for no reason whatsoever. It's a big game I don't understand. I feel sorry for her about that. She has one video where she looks at her lawyer like, what the fuck did that for? I'm like, yeah, get used to it. I've done it 50 times, so almost 50 times. So hopefully she'll be okay. We don't need homeless people making a problem for her or anything in Moscow or Russia or wherever she is, London. This is Tai Lopez. I watch him pretty well. He's pretty cool. His videos come on all the time on my Roku, and so I watch him a lot, and he's a pretty good guy. I know he's very wealthy. I think he had some money in Bitcoin. He's got a huge house, 16 bedrooms, 59 doors. Pretty cool. He's a pretty good guy, I think, in general. He's just a good personality type. On TV, sometimes probably they label him. Jimi Hendrix, some goodie but oldie music. Taylor Swift, Drew Barrymore. She's about my age, and I remember seeing her in E.T., where the alien came down from outer space and became Elliot's favorite or best friend. And it was all about, the regular neighborhood, and odd things like that happening, like NASA, which is something I keep up on. Taylor Swift, again. She'll come out with another video soon. All her videos are big hits. There's Tai Lopez again, homeless to $130,000 a month. Tai Lopez twin. So there's Sia again. She makes some really interesting videos. That's a good Mariah Carey video. MIA is pretty hip-hop punk happening kind of beat to it. So that's the kind of stuff I wanted to show you on my Facebook page. Now, yesterday we were talking about how you can install Microsoft Internet Relay Chat and then install Envision over it. And I'll see if I can find the Envision file. There it is. So we'll launch that. I'm going to show you how to install it. And I'll go ahead and open it up and show you what the skins look like. It's pretty cool. I've got a full install. Next, install to, Envision to, and you've got to check the folder that is the MIRC folder. So there it is. Let's press OK. Next, and we'll install Envision over Microsoft Internet Relay Chat. We'll create a shortcut. And there it is, Envision. We're going to right click it, Properties, Compatibility, and we're going to run this program as an administrator. Now you're set to go. So here's Envision 3.0. Yeah, there it is. And it's a pretty hip-happing chat program. Microsoft Internet Relay Chat gives you 30 days to evaluate the software. You go up here and click the lightning button, and you get this, which is what you choose from your server. And there are hundreds, if not thousands, of them. It's got DCC file sharing between chatters, chat room. It's pretty neat. One of these days I'll get around to showing you the Quake videos and stuff. So that's about all I have for you today. Have a good day, and be sure to add and comment on my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys next cast.